Okay, I'm off on a solo ride to see the tail end of the Jacaranda trees and their purple haze. Hey, this is a Jacaranda tree. I don't know if it's just young or a different species. And here's another one in full bloom, quite a bit bigger. I wonder if it's a different species. Well, here we are on Santa Clara, and it is blooming. Yep, it's just a little bit past the peak for the Jacaranda blossoms. Still very impressive though. Does this path have a name? No. Even an informal one?
They would call it like the Baker Street Bridge. The bridge at the end of Baker.
Yeah, okay. Sure, so I mean, it's a lovely neighborhood. Isn't it nice?
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Well, I'll have to look this up as part of the hidden Santa Ana. The Isaac Walton League. We've got some sort of clubhouse here right on the edge of Riverview Golf Course.